5 bed exercises for a flat belly in just 1 week. Let's do the exercises. Exercise number 1, air twisting crunch. Instructions: lie on your back on the bed with your knees bent and feet flat. Place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your head and shoulders off the bed, engaging your core. As you crunch, twist your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Perform 15 to 20 reps for effective results. Benefits: the air twisting crunch targets the obliques and abdominal muscles, promoting core strength and stability. The twisting motion engages the entire midsection, helping to tighten and tone the muscles. Consistent practice aids in reducing love handles and achieving a visibly flatter belly within just 1 week. Exercise number 2, bent knee lying twist. Instructions: lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the bed. Extend your arms out to the sides for stability, keeping your shoulders on the bed. Lower your knees to one side, hold for a moment, then return to the center. Repeat on the other side. Aim for 3 sets of 15 twists per side. Benefits: the bent knee lying twist is effective for working the obliques and improving flexibility in the spine. This exercise aids in digestion and reduces bloating, contributing to a flatter belly. The gentle twisting motion also engages the core muscles, promoting a more sculpted midsection within just 1 week. Exercise number 3, Cocoons. Instructions: lie flat on your back with arms extended above your head. Lift your arms and legs towards the center, creating a cocoon shape. Engage your core as you bring your knees towards your chest. Hold the position briefly, then extend your arms and legs back out. Repeat for 15 to 20 repetitions. Benefits: cocoons are excellent for activating the entire core, targeting the upper and lower abdominal muscles. This exercise promotes core strength and endurance, contributing to a flatter belly. The controlled movement also helps with overall muscle engagement and toning within a week. Exercise number 4, lying straight leg raise. Instructions: lie on your back with legs extended. Place your hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs towards the ceiling, keeping them straight. Lower your legs back down without letting them touch the bed. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Benefits: lying straight leg raises focus on the lower abdominal muscles, helping to tone and tighten the belly area. This exercise also improves overall posture and contributes to a flatter stomach within just 1 week. The controlled movement engages the core for maximum effectiveness. Exercise number 5, stretching. Iron cross stretch. Instructions: lie on your back with arms extended to the sides. Lift your legs towards the ceiling. Slowly lower your legs to one side, keeping them straight. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds, then return to the center. Repeat on the other side. Perform 3 sets on each side. Benefits: the iron cross stretch enhances flexibility and provides a deep stretch for the core muscles. This exercise helps reduce tension, improve circulation, and complements the other exercises in achieving a flat belly within just 1 week. Incorporate this stretch for a well-rounded bedtime routine. Congratulations on completing these transformative bed exercises. Your dedication will lead to a flatter belly in just 1 week. Keep up the great work, and stay tuned for more empowering workouts on your journey to a healthier, happier you.